Hey guys, this is Ben from Team Sunshine, and this is episode 16 of Solar in 60 Seconds, your daily shot of renewable energy. And today we're talking about when is the best time to get installed. The undeniable answer to that is immediately. But I'm not saying that from bias, or that's not even a joke. That's an actual strategic answer. Why? There's three reasons. The first being the tax credit. The longer you wait, that tax credit is starting to decline. If you got solar 2 years ago, you would have got a 30% ITC federal tax credit. Last year, it would have been 26%. And this year, it's 22%. If you wait one more year, it's going to go down to zero. So the answer to that is undeniably now. Getting installed now is the most lucrative decision you can make for your financial position and adding solar to that portfolio. The second is when you actually go solar in Massachusetts. We have a 10-year payback program called the SMART program in Massachusetts, which pays you every single month for the power that you produce, direct deposit into your bank account. Now, in Massachusetts, you get grandfathered in at the time in which you go solar, and that block system actually decreases in value over time. So the longer you wait, you might end up in a slightly less lucrative block. And number three, the most obvious one, is the savings you can't recoup from every moment that you wait. So over the last year or 2 years, if you had gone solar and actually been saving every single month up till this point, that could have been thousands of dollars that you'd be putting back in your pocket that you cannot recoup, because of course your electricity bill is just something you pay. There's no value, there's no return on that investment, there's no investment. You're just paying ad nauseum into the electricity that the company is providing for you, which is a great service. But now with the second option with solar, you can actually save money, and the longer you wait, the less that you recoup every single month in savings that you could have had, if you didn't wait. So when's the best time to get installed? It's immediately. And if you'd like us to help you understand how lucrative solar can be for you right now, just get in contact with us, contact.teamsunshine.solar, and Ahmad and I are going to take a look at your project and help you understand if solar is worth it for you in 2021. All right, guys, thanks for watching. That's episode 15 of Solar in 60 Seconds. We appreciate you watching. If you have any other comments, questions, or things that you want us to cover in future episodes, just drop a comment in the box below, and we'll do that on the next episode of Solar in 60 Seconds.